Since the Russo-Ukrainian War broke out, purchases of weapons systems by a number of countries have increased and even accelerated. Including Poland, a NATO member country that borders Ukraine, has now said it will buy 32 AW149 multi-role attack military helicopters from Leonardo, Italy. Estimated purchases worth €1.75 billion, $1.83 billion. The planned purchase of these helicopters was announced by the Polish Minister of Defense Mariusz Blaszczak on Friday, July 1, 2022. It said Poland would take delivery of the first batch of AW149 helicopters next year. Blaszczak said Poland ordered a heavily armed version of the AW149 equipped with anti-tank missiles. The contract also includes training, a set of spare parts, and equipment for helicopter maintenance. In October 2016, Poland's government broke off negotiations with the Airbus Group for the purchase of 50 Caracal transport helicopters, at the time valued at €3.14 billion. Since then, Warsaw has ordered 4 S-70i Black Hawk transport helicopters from the American Sikorsky Corporation and 4 Leonardo AW101 multi-role helicopters.